to see about what are all the data scientist concepts that is needed for the freshers or the beginners who wants to start their career in data science. So people who have graduated in 2021 and 2020 will be more eager to who are all studied their engineering in CSE or BTech or IT. They will be definitely having an idea to move to their career in data science. So they are having an idea of how data science will be, how the career should be. So what profession did Harvard call the busiest job for the 21st century? So that's perfectly data scientist. So data scientist job is very busiest job as far as in 2020 and 2021. Even though web development and all the other jobs are there, but the trend and demand for data scientist is something really high. So the data science definition and discussion will be definitely help you to define the data scientist role and its purpose, as well as the typical skills, qualifications, education, experience, and responsibility. So whatever the field that you are going to take in your career as a fresher, you should definitely be ready to know what are the typical skills, qualifications, educations, experiences, and responsibility that you should have. As a fresher, I am not telling you to learn all the techniques or the topics which data science cover, not like that. You have to know the basics, and you have to know some of the case studies. Then only you will have an idea what is data science is all about. Then only you can dive into the whole concept, because it's not a single concept. It's like a huge ocean. Data science and big data is a huge ocean. I am not threatening you, but it's a huge ocean. Each and every day, if you are going to have blocks, like about 10 blocks or 12 blocks, if you are going to take, there are 5 to 6 new concepts that you will see in each and every block. So each and every day, the concepts and the new innovations are coming up. So you have to. So you have to start from the scratch. Then only you can go to the higher level of it. Data science will include the data engineering, scientific methods, statistics is very important, visualization, and the domain expertise. The pillars of data science will be, while data scientists often come from many different educational and work experience background, so they can come from mechanical and civil, any background they can learn data science, because there is no criteria like IT people should only choose like that, not like that. Any people, any background can learn data science, but they should, if preferably engineering is preferred because of the mathematics. So as you all know, data science is related to data mining, machine learning, and big data. And data science is a blend of various tools, algorithms, and machine learning principles with the goal to discover hidden patterns from the raw data. So you have a doubt, how is this different from what statisticians have been done for years? So the answer lies in the difference between explaining and predicting. So that is what you are saying. That is what you are seeing in the data scientist as a exploratory data analysis, ML and advanced algorithm, data product engineering will come as a data scientist. So as you are seeing the video, a data scientist usually explains what is going on by processing history of the data. On the other hand, data scientist not only does the exploratory analysis to discover insight from it, but also uses various advanced ML algorithms to identify the occurrence of the particular event in the future. So a data scientist will look at the data from many angles, sometimes angles not known earlier. So data science is primarily used to make decisions and predictions, making use of predictive causal analytics and predictive analytics and prescriptive analytics. There are 4 types of analytics: predictive, prescriptive, descriptive, and causal analytics. So why data science? That is the question. Traditionally, the data that we had was mostly structured and small in size. Before going to this, I will tell you. So I am planning to go in depth about the deep learning and machine learning algorithms concept. That is, in the next upcoming videos, what I have planned is taking some case studies from Kaggle, or taking some good case studies related to 2021 data or the trend data, which we are going to do. So I will take the data based upon the freshers as well as the experience. Any people who wants to know data science or who have already experienced data science, like that I will take the data set and many Kaggle data sets, and I will go with machine learning algorithms and all that Kaggle algorithms, everything I will cover it in the next upcoming videos. And for deep learning, I will start with the basics. That's what I am planning to do. Apart from this too, I am planning to do 10 plus videos on computer vision, because many people are interested in computer visions and is also now trending. So as you all see, so I am planning to focus on computer visions too. So these are all the 3 important things that I am going to focus as far as in 2021 in my upcoming videos. So apart from this, if there is any other videos which because I used to see 10 to 11 blogs each and every day, so I will get a different type of ideas of how I can expose myself